Hi, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to taunt on the teamfight tactics. So the first thing that you would like to do is just go and open your Riot client to open your teamfight tactics game. Of course, if you have it on your phone, you will have to go and open it up. But if you have it on your PC, you will have to open it up through Riot client. Of course, if you have the Riot client already opened, or if you already downloaded it into your PC, this will be great. But if you don't, you'll have to go and download it through whatever browser you're using. As you can see here, I'm actually using like Brave. Of course, for you, just go and open out our browser and type download right client, hit the enter button, download it. Once it's downloaded, install it, and once it's installed, you will have to open it up. Of course, you can just go and look for it and open it up. Once it's opened, you will find yourself here in this homepage or this main screen. Of course, here you'll normally find your games that is already downloaded or installed into your PC. If you have the Teamfight Tactics here, this will be great, but if you don't, you'll have to scroll down until you find these all games and click on Teamfight Tactics. Here you'll be able to download it through the League of Legends and PC, and of course you can download it on your phone as I said before, and on Google Play or Android App Store if you're using an iPhone. And of course, once you install it, you'll have just go open it up and look for a game for your matchmaking. Once you get into one, now I will show you how to taunt. So of course I already did that, and here we are. As you can see, I am already on a game. So of course, if you want to taunt, like there are some options to do that because there is a lot of champions who can taunt, including Ramos. So Ramos champion can actually taunt in this game. So let's just wait for the next round and I'm going to show you how he's going to taunt. So here we are, the round is starting. As you can see, once the round is started, this will attack us. Of course, who plays CFT knows what is this. And of course, as you can see, the Ramos will taunt its enemies. Of course, a lot of champions can do something like that, but Ramos one of them, and that's how you actually taunt. So this is actually for this tutorial. I hope you like it. Thank you guys for watching and goodbye.